Hey everybody, we are back with another video today. Welcome back to the channel of Isaiah Fields Tours. Today we are located in Pooler, Georgia, about 17 miles outside of the city of Savannah. This is also where the Savannah/Hilton Head Airport is located. And today we are touring a Landmark 24 home built. This is a new construction home. This is lot 1013. The pricing for this home is $617,000 currently. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it is 2,158 square feet. And it also has a unique feature of heated floors. So, I'm just giving you the surrounding area. This home also has a pond behind it, guys, so it's very beautiful. I know you're ready to see the inside. This is a 2-car garage, and now we are going on the inside. And again, this is a new construction home, but the home itself is finished. It's going to get the steps leading up here. Alright guys, we are inside. First look at this beautiful light fixture right here in the dining area. As you can see, nice hardwood floors. Beautiful. With a nice view on the outside. Again, right across the street, they are working on another home. Look at this beautiful light fixture, guys. Very spacious away from the living room area. But yes. This is the lovely kitchen. I love the open floor plan. Beautiful, well thought of. I'm just going to back up and give you all some more lighting. Get you a good look, and as you can see right here, matter of fact, I'm going to take you all outside first. Get a beautiful glimpse of this view. As you can see, this is your patio. A lot of land still. So as you can tell, this is actually great. I'm glad you can see the property line right there, where the property line ends. So you have a lot of property. Beautiful pond behind you, beautiful view. I know it doesn't look like much now, but just wait until they are completed with everything. Yes, beautiful neighborhood, by the way, beautiful community. You can do some gardening out here. Put a lot out here, a lot of space for a nice family to get together. You know, it's not screened in, but it does have a ceiling fan here with the light. So it's pretty unique. I like it. I think it's amazing. And now we're back here in the kitchen. This also can be a nice area. You can put a table here, maybe some chairs, or when you have a family get together, a family gathering, or just a nice party, anything of that nature. You know, have a lot of space. I love these stainless steel appliances that Landmark 24 homes went with. Nice LG oven appliances. And actually it comes equipped with 2 ovens. Look at that interior. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love the LG oven. Comes with the rack. Cabinet space, deep cabinet space. Flat top stove. I love this style. I love this style. Like, you know how normally you would see like the full oven, you know what I'm saying? And it's a flat top. I love how it's literally just cabinets. And then you walk here and it's just doop doop. You know, so pretty unique. Love it. LG is obviously a great company. Here's your fan for your cooking and ventilation. This is the LG microwave. It's actually deep on the inside, so you can fit a lot in here. I'm backing up so you can see the circumference of it all. Yes, very nice, very luxury. Here is the LG refrigerator. Love it. I want to push buttons like a kid, but I'm not. I'm gonna open it up for you all just so you can see. And these appliances do come equipped in the home. It does. Airtight. Here is your freezer. Deep. As you can see, ice is already in here. Here's your dishwasher. Love the sink. I love these light fixtures. I love this. This right here, I love it. If you ever watched the show on Netflix, Glass Blowing, it gave me a different type of love for these light fixtures because somebody really had to take their time and do such a thing in order to have something for this light to go inside. But yes, I love the details in this countertop for this kitchen island. And then from here, I just want to show you the space that you have from the kitchen sink and the living room. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Again, you have your ceiling fan. Then I'm going to stand here. So right now, this is the patio. I'm right here by the patio door. So this is all of your living space. Beautiful, guys. Like, this is beautiful. Love how they have the electric fire pit. And then here, you can just mount your TV as people normally would do. You don't have to, but I feel as though that is a beautiful, beautiful scene. Putting your flat screen TV on the wall, right above that fireplace. Yep, I said fire pit before, I just realized that. I want to show y'all this bathroom so bad, but I gotta show y'all the bedrooms first. So this is the first bedroom. Nice size. With a window. Show you from this way, it has a hallway that leads to the other room. It does have a walk-in closet. And if you hear like a little noise, I'm walking on the plastic that they put on the carpet. But yes, it's a decent sized closet. Me personally, I won't complain. I think it's perfect. It's just enough for whoever. Now we're gonna go out. And also you have a nice small hallway closet. Put like some cleaning supplies there. Even bathroom supplies if need be. This is the other bedroom. Show you that. This bedroom I would say has the better view. The last bedroom I just showed you, as you can see, has a view of the street, but this one has the view of the patio and that pond in the background. Beautiful. And the closet is the same size, but this is the closet. So yeah. And now I'm going to show you the bathroom that this specific home shares. Beautiful. Like, come on guys, marble floors. Marble floors. Look at this. Even in the shower. Like, this is amazing. I love the window feature that they put there. It just adds to the luxury of it. And I like this backsplash for where you can put like your soaps and any hair products and things of that nature. I love it. Nice countertop. I love the cabinet colors. I don't think you all can probably see it as good as I can, the color, but based on the lighting. But this is like a nice light gray, and it fits so perfect. It's so perfect. But yes, that is that. And then, oh, this is your attic, just so you know. You probably saw the stick, but yeah, so the attic is here. Also, I just want to point out this light fixtures. I don't know if you all noticed, but I'm really into like light fixtures. I like the uniqueness of them. This is pretty unique. I love it as soon as you walk in the front door. So this is the living room space, guys. And now I'm going to show you where the washer and dryer is. But also first, I want to show you that this is your pantry right here. I've seen bigger in Lennar, I mean not Lennar, Landmark 24 Homes. I've seen bigger pantries, but this is still decent. Like, this is pretty good. Way more than enough space. Excuse me for that, by the way. But yes, this is where your washer and dryer would go. As you can see, you have your washer and dryer hookup. Cabinet space for any clothing items that you store those, but you also have space here in the washroom also. So a lot of storage space was definitely in mind. I love this security feature also right here. IQ, beautiful. And now I'm going to show you the 2-car garage. This is your 2-car garage. Love it. As you can see, that's where your breaker is. Very spacious, very clean. Alright guys, closing down that. Back around. So the cabinet space right here. Get some more lighting here. Store some things here also. This can be like your area for where you do your smoothies, you know, cut up your fruits and vegetables, however you want to do it. And this is the kitchen, and now I know what you all are waiting for, the master bedroom. And again, guys, this is a 1-level home. I don't think I mentioned that, but this is a single-level home. Very spacious master bedroom. I love it. I'm walking around. It also has a view of the pond back there. Very nice. And it leads right to the bathroom, which also leads to the walk-in closet. Again, the marble floors is beautiful. I love it. His and her counter for the sinks. Again, amazing light fixtures. I love it. It might be too bright. Hold on, just so y'all can see, because I want y'all to be able to see the details. So I'm gonna cut this light off. Okay, there we go. If you can see like the design on the glass, I like that. That's pretty unique. Whoever did the glass blowing for this definitely did a great job with texture. I love it. But yeah, now we're back. You have the walk-in shower. Again, you have the background, again with the window. Beautiful. I love the flooring, the tile that's in there. I love how it's a glass, because sometimes it's not always like that, if you know what I'm talking about, but this is nice. And then you have your private toilet area with the door so you can close it. Then you have your closet here for all your bathroom items. And again, I love how they had the tile marble floors that go into the closet. But yes, beautiful. And then this walk-in closet is massive. It is massive. So I'm backing up as far as I can. Show you. Yeah, this is a lot here. This is a lot of space here. More than enough. Depending upon, you know, for the married couples, you know, fellas, if you're married, your wife tends to have a lot. So your wife may take up majority of this closet. But hey, there's other bedrooms. And yes, this is the bathroom. I really love this bathroom. I don't know if you're like me, but the bathroom is like key, and then the kitchen and the kitchen appliances. That's what matters the most to me. Hardwood flooring, 9 times out of 10 is going to be there in today's world when it comes to building these new construction homes. But I'm just giving you all another look at everything. I love the backsplash on here. Backsplash. I don't know if you all noticed it before, but I love that. It's like straight to the point. It's not doing too much. Beautiful, smooth. I love it. Again, the cabinet space. And yeah. And that is all, guys and girls. This is beautiful, 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 beautiful. And I'm loving it. Thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see next, the type of homes you want to see, what area you would like me to go and visit and do house tours for you all. And make sure, if you haven't already, that you subscribe. Let's give me this. Alright guys, and again, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all your support. I will always continue to bring you beautiful luxury houses to showcase to you all in multiple neighborhoods. Right now I'm just in Georgia, but I do plan on expanding out and going to different states, different cities to show you all what each state and what city has to offer, and let you know what's in the surrounding areas. You can compare the prices, things of that nature. And also, just to let you all know, I have it right here. The name of this floor plan is Southport 3. That is the name of this floor plan if you are interested. And as you all may know by now, I am a licensed realtor in Savannah, Georgia. Well, in Georgia as a whole. But yeah, specifically, I am located in Savannah, Georgia. And any buyers and or sellers that are looking for any new property, let me know. I'm your go-to guy, and I will be grateful. And remember to keep God first. Out.